Hey YouTube, how we doing today? We've got another interesting blade by Gerber in the shop, and I have to give all credit to Doc P91 Bravo. I saw this video first, I should say, I saw this blade first on his channel, and thought, that looks kind of cool. So I brought it to mine. Stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and we're going to take a look at it. Thank you so much for staying with me. Now, as you can see right by the packaging, we're going to take a look at the Gerber Fullback Assisted Opener. Now, I did get this one in the clamshell case. To be honest with you, I don't know why. I prefer the boxes over the clamshells, so I don't have to cut things out. But as Gerber usually does, there's some weird tech specs from the back. Okay, so here she is, the Gerber Fullback. Now, one thing that jumped out at me right away before we even get into any of the stats, it has a little safety lock right there. Just like on a pistol, red, you're dead. Once you move that up, you cannot deploy this blade at all. The one thing I will say when they talk about assisted opening, did you hear that loud clack? They're not lying. That thing comes flying up. Now, what I found very interesting right off the bat is they're talking about it has a liner lock, but I'm like, where? So it must be an internal liner lock because you need to depress this button in order to be able to close the blade. But I mean, listen to this. That's loud. So, let's go over the stats like we usually do. So it's got an overall length of 7 inches. Closed, it's about 4.2, and the blade is 2.8. It's got a weight of about 3.4 ounces, and the blade steel is 7CR17 MOV. I know that's kind of popular with Gerber, just like them going, it's got titanium nitride blade coating. Okay, that's that great stuff. And I'm like, alright, so what exactly does that do for the blades? Because, well, all of Gerber's blades seem to come with that same dang coating. It is pretty interesting as a Warncliffe style, as you can see. Now, the handle, I mean, they always say this crap. It's glass-filled nylon. And I'm like, yeah. That's just plastic. We all know that's plastic. As I showed you, it says it has the fast 2.0 assisted opening. And seriously, they're just not friggin' lying about that. I mean, loud and aggressive, and it's right out there. There is dual thumb studs, a little bit of jimping there. I do like how this just sits in your hand. You know, I wouldn't think that this little cutout would be comfortable, but it actually is. Now, it has a one-position pocket clip that sits pretty deep in your pocket. You know, let's see. Nope, it's got to be made in China, because I don't see the Portland, Oregon stuff on there. So there you go, as it usually is, designed in Portland, Oregon, manufactured in China. Now, the cost on this guy over on Gerber's website is $37. On Amazon's website, it's $29.38. God, I need coffee. And you also get free shipping. It's got a 4 out of 5 star rating over on Gerber's website with only a couple reviews. And over on Amazon, it's 3.5 stars out of 5 with about 35 reviews. But there we go, guys. That's my look at the Gerber Fullback. That fast opening is just massively beautiful. I really, truly like it. My only concern is, you know, you're going to bust through the retaining pin. I just... How many opens do you realistically have in a blade before it, snaps it? But, I want to know what you think. Leave your questions, comments, whatever, right down below. If you are a first-time viewer to my channel, I want to thank you so much for spending some of your day with me. Your time means an awful lot to me. You're going to see a symbol popping up right over here. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to be my company logo, and that'll take you right to subscribe. Once you click on that little subscribe thing, go ahead and click on the bell icon that's right next to it. That way you'll be notified every single time when I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, there's going to be two of them popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube has selected from my catalog that they think are going to be a good viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Gerber Fullback. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day.